What's up? Thursday, July 16th, 2026, 6:37 p.m. We're in the Brunswick Square Mall in East Brunswick. This is the Macy's clearance store, and they're doing a ton of work to the East Brunswick Mall, Brunswick Square Mall, whatever you call it. Like both of those names are kind of valid here. So yeah, we're gonna stroll outside and check everything going on. Right now we're inside the Macy's clearance store, and this is a unique Macy's. Because it's set up like a Burlington coat factory. They have everything on clearance here. So this is, I've never seen a Macy's set up like this. So that's pretty cool, pretty cool. And I've been in this Macy's many times. This is East Brunswick, New Jersey. So I know the Macy's, but it's set up so different right now. So we're gonna stroll through the Macy's and then head outside, and you'll see all the demolition going on. There's a lot going on to the Brunswick Square Mall. So East Brunswick, Brunswick Square Mall is being renovated because it wasn't seeing much foot traffic. So they want to, I guess, modernize it. They're going to make it more open from what I know, kind of like I guess you can say like a Jersey Shore outlets, like an outdoor outlets kind of thing from what I know. That's all I know. It's kind of going to be like that. And they're projecting to have it open pretty soon, but it looks like it's a good while. It looks like it's a pretty long project that they got ahead of them. But everything is closed inside the mall pretty much. And the entrance into the mall used to be over this side through the Macy's here. But as you see, it's set up similar to like a Burlington coat factory now. That's pretty much the best way for me to describe it. They have everything in these rows. And yeah, it looks really cool, really cool. It's probably a good spot to maybe get some clearance stuff. It's all clearance. And I really don't know if the prices are a lot less or not. I'm not going to dig into a bunch of prices. But you can kind of see some stuff right here. There's some original prices and all of that. Take an additional 20% off, 40% off, 65%. Just to give you a little idea there. But they got menswear, ladies' clothing. They got everything here. Like a Macy's. They have a lot of the stuff, the Macy's stuff here. And yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool how they have it set up here. I actually like this. This is pretty dope. So yeah, it's cool to walk through here and check all this out. So we're gonna go check out the demolition stuff outside while we walk through here, through the Macy's. From what I know, they're closing up pretty soon. So let's stroll outside. But yeah, as you see, this is the Macy's clearance. Macy's clearance spot right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So let's go, let's go, let's go. All right.
Have a great day.
You too. Take it easy. All right, so let's head outside, and there's a lot of smoke because of the Canadian fires going on right now. Whew, it's crazy smoky today. The wildfires in Canada the smoke is going everywhere, hundreds and hundreds of miles. So here in New Jersey, we're experiencing a lot of smoke, and that is in a lot of areas. So yeah, this is pretty crazy. And hopefully it clears up pretty soon. But anyway, so yeah, this is not a normal day in that regard. The air quality is not so good. But here is the demolitions. Here's part of the demolition here. The Brunswick Square Mall, East Brunswick Square Mall. So let's just take a peek through here right now. Just take a peek. So yeah, that's pretty cool, pretty wild. We don't want to spend too much time like that. But yeah, there's a lot going on here. So let's stroll this way. Some stores are still open. Barnes & Noble is still open. As you can see, they're working on that right over there. They're working on a lot of stuff. So this is going to be like, from what I know, it's going to be like an open mall kind of thing where I guess you can walk outside and then, there's malls around, like there's stores around it. And the closest thing I could think of around here is like the Jersey Shore outlets, maybe, because the Jersey Shore outlets, they have that outdoor kind of vibe, you know what I mean, like that. So we get a little bit of a glimpse there of it. And we have the Barnes & Noble still open over here. So I'll try to give you a little view here of some of the demolition going on. A little bit smoky today, a little bit hazy. And it's just better for us not to go into any of the fenced off areas, because I know I know that they do not want people walking around there, so we don't need to have any issues with that, of course. But yeah, very, very smoky today. Wow. The smoke is crazy, out of control. The air quality is very bad today. I'm not a fan of smoke. Breathing in smoke, not my thing at all. So yeah, we are hopefully going to get through the smoke thing. But this Barnes & Noble has been here quite some time. So the Barnes & Noble is still open here. And we recently had a major power outage around here because of the thunderstorms and all of that. So this might be a good spot to go with a power outage and bring a laptop and just do whatever you got to do. This is a very low-key spot. Grab a spot, grab a table right there and just hang out, you know. But that was kind of a note to self. Because yeah, when you don't have internet, everything is internet right now. Right now in 2026, if you don't have internet, you don't have much going on as far as entertainment, you know, anything like that. Using mobile hotspot, not so easy. It runs out kind of quick, especially for us video people like myself, filmmakers. So here we can get a little more of a view here of this. We're not going to go too far though. I don't really want to venture too far in there because I'm sure they probably are dealing with people walking in here a little bit. And we're just going to look here for a second. But yeah, this is what's going on. They're building it here. They're putting all this together. So this is all ripped up here. This was the entrance to the mall. This was basically the main entrance to the Brunswick Square Mall right here. And then you had a restaurant here. The Red Robin was here. And then you had the Bar Louie. That was over here. There was like an outdoor dining spot. Yeah, so they're really redoing everything. So we can kind of take a little peek here. Let's just take another little peek through here. But yeah, so they're redoing everything now. I don't know when all of this will be finished, but they're working on it. It's just going to take a little time, and I think that they're probably working on it and getting it done as quick as possible. I would think so. Yeah, but right there we have the Twisted Crab, Panera Bread, JCPenney's. There's another entrance to the Brunswick Square Mall, but that entrance is being remodeled also. So yeah, you can see right there they're remodeling a lot on this side. can kind of see in there. It's wide open. Looks like a hallway or something like that. The Twisted Crab right here. I think it's still open. It looks like it's open. The Panera's open because people are going in and out of Panera Bread. So I'm guessing this is still open, but it looks dark and there is some signs on. And yeah, it's probably open. I don't see any signs saying it's not open, but I don't see a whole lot of activity going on. But in here, there's people coming in and out of Panera I've seen, and we're just seeing somebody going in. And there's people in there right now. So the Panera is still in action here. So we got this right here. This is another entrance. Like that was kind of the main entrance, and this is just another entrance before. So this part is being remodeled, renovated here. They got all the machinery going on in this spot. And before you could walk in here, and then this was like the hallway into the mall basically right here. So that was like you would go down there, and then the mall kind of like goes to the left side, and then JCPenney's is right here to the right side. And that's how it was. So JCPenney's is still open here, it says. So they got JCPenney's open right here. So JCPenney's has been here a long time. Very long time. And so we got JCPenney's right here. So anyway, we do have security watching us. But that's okay. We're not doing anything wrong, just walking. I don't think we're doing anything wrong. So just gonna go walk this way, take a stroll. Okay. East Brunswick Mall, East Brunswick, New Jersey. Wow, so smoky from the Canadian smoke. Hopefully it clears up. So the summer has been a little crazy with the weather. We've had some crazy weather this summer. And we had some thunderstorms and all of that kind of stuff. So, yeah. We've had some good weather, but we've also had some kind of crazy weather. But yeah, it's getting better. The weather, no thunderstorms right now, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I do have the security circling around me for filming, but that's part of the game. Part of the game. We're just outside, not doing anything crazy. So we got JCPenney over there. We got the Brunswick Square Mall. So this is the update of the Brunswick Square Mall 2026.